down in my phone. I just put. We're gonna put water on this. Okay. Now we put all the way on the top, like that. And then we put some soap on it. And then we mix it. Oh my, it's spilling! Oh my gosh! It's spilling! Oh my gosh. Okay, now I have to wash my milk. See that pink thing? That's to wash the walls on the thing there, so it can just like that. I'm gonna okay. It will be long, so I will just put a little bit of soup on it. And then put it. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Done. We need to wash our hands first. So I need to wash my hands with this soap. This is my soap for hands, hand soap, and this is for we wash our plates and spoon and fork. And okay, rub it. Look at this, guys. Sound. Oh my gosh, it's on my arms. I'm gonna just squeeze it under. You want me to show you how to you want me to show you how to wash my chupon? Okay, let's go. First, you like and subscribe for Journey and Atka. There's like something. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, there's a big hole in it already. Okay, time to go. Hurry!
And Lisa from California beats a perfect find to secure a tie for the red team.
She would put her into a big party, it's really messy, it's all over the place.
It's hard to elevate something, but sometimes it shouldn't go that high. Okay, now it's up on.
As a team, we should play to our strengths. And if this is, let's use it to our advantage. For garnish, I think just a bit
It's
of fresh
spilling,
tofu
that's
would be
why.
under that fresh spice.
See, it's spilling when I always squeeze it.
It's basically nanga,
It's
but
spilling
it's tofu broth is served.
It's so too much spilling.
Traditionally, lime is
Ika!
chefs. Their favorite.
Gumagawad pa yun. Gusto ko yung baon. O yung ano to. O yung waffle.
That's right.
Waiter pa lang. Or yung waiter.
Stick oh.
Ha?
Stick oh.
Like that, but ano?
Okay. I'm not playing. I'm washing my butt.
Black versus white
I'm
stew.
I'm videoing. Okay. Don't go to me. Okay. You keep going.
Will now begin.
My God.
Time for a comeback. No comebacks today. I knew the opening was focused, but I never thought, oh, this will be
Wow, 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 wow.
you win this
Marami
challenge.
pa pala to yun.
It's a crap.
Ito na sa kanila yun. Kain ka ba? Kain natin. Para sa atin. Gusto ko magkain na. Gusto ko kumain. Wala naman ba?
Wait lang.
Delicious. Even with the olive roe, it feels very luxurious. I'd love to get
Just point what out.
at the start of the tasting. He said he wanted to prepare a dish that was as full as it was delicious. But that wasn't the impression I got.
Blushing.
On the other hand, competition to embracing olive roe is flavorful and delicious. It's very classic. There's a lot of depth and wit here. An 11?
Pa.
But I took it.
Yeah.
And for Chef Sun's suggestion, it really together for me. And even though it was the tiniest amount, the extra polish from that was subtle, but really
So,
Kain mo ba kayo? Ano?
after this, I'm gonna do my homework. So I will do my homework. First, I need to change the refrigerator. Okay? Just leave it over here. Let's go, guys.
May kainugas na lang. Times pala dyan ha.
Wala na. Bye-bye.
Wow, wala na ha.
Mommy, mommy.
by 32 points.
Okay, say stop mo muna. Ah, o sige.
I will pause it first. I got my homework sign. Okay. Mom, it's
It says here, read the phrase, draw what is says in the box. Okay?
okay.
So it says here, cob in a pot. Cob is a corn, diba? Corn cob.
So,
You draw a pot and then there should be a cob inside.
what's called?
Cob, a corn.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
So, I'm gonna need the video.
Yeah, that one. Corn. She wants it, she wants it.
So, how to draw pot?
I don't know, just draw a pot. Ano to an? Pot. Yan.
As this is a battle of aces,
Huh? Cooking pot? Oh, okay. We're gonna cook a pot?
A pot, cooking pot.
Just do your best.
Done. And then I will draw a line so it can a pan. And then I draw corn.
Is that a pot?
Yeah, that's a
Ano
pot.
pa to?
They will not know which team made this dish. With me, the outcome will be determined by taste. That's right.
A pot is a lutuan, the one where I cook soup.
Oh, that's a pot. Anya. Marie. Pot. That's a pot. Oh, that's a pot now. And then
You draw a corn.
I
Wait lang,
want.
erase it properly. You can see the other pencil.
Now then, each team will be able to meet. In order to decide what
Done.
they would like to select.
Lagyan mo siya ng ganito. Wait lang, wait lang.
8 ingredients remain. You are allowed
What's
to
that?
use any ingredient
Sa pot.
to two from the same wheel of fate.
That's the body.
Since
Huh?
the white spoon team wants to
Now draw a
Oh.
corn.
they will be able to pick their ingredient first. The time limit for the 3-on-3 battle of the aces is 60 minutes. It all comes down to it. It's gonna be interesting.
Kalan mo na to?
Best we can.
Kalorin mo.
Where you have these lime slices.
Dali, sa fish na siya nun.
The broth is acidic, so it has a tangy,
Hindi.
sour taste.
Sa ibilim. Dahil nag-fish ko siya. Dahil na lang. Kahit mo lang. Yung ay.
Mamaya, mamaya.
So we got toast.
Done.
Okay, next. A big box.
Big box.
Send mo sa akin. Ay, meron na ba ako?
Done.
Box ba yan?
Yeah, that's cool. Who's that?
It's a box. Next, a mad cop. Mad cop. Mad police. Draw a face that is mad.
How do you make it better than it is?
I don't know how to draw mad.
This is it. From that point on,
She's showing her teeth and she has like a.
Don't make him smile.
the only way to survive was to create the best dish. You have to. So the three of us set out to make. You have to. So the three of us set out to make something really flavorful. Something with a lot of depth that enhances the key ingredients. That was key.
Done.
The white spoon team
Draw the
has
body.
selected rock.
And the cup. Ani, you have to show the eyes and the nose.
Decide whether to choose the veal loin or the rockfish, and ultimately we chose the latter. Right. Veal's got a completely different flavor. Plus, it's really dry.
There's no fat, right?
None at all.
It's young calf.
I think tofu tastes well with the rockfish. Come on, what do you think? I like that. Do you have an idea?
I was thinking, cook the tofu, slice up some vegetables, like a fish cake with every top with grilled rockfish, and then we'll serve with a big sauce made of Japanese spicy sauce. There's a Japanese dish called kenchirushi. You take tofu and you strain it until it becomes fine. Then you add what you want it to be. Lay a bit of rockfish over the top of that, and then you get this lovely dish that combines delicious rockfish, soft tofu, and rich sauce. Tofu tends to absorb the flavor of what it's paired with, so without seafood would be better. What else should we use? What do you think about the corn? I think it's a fairly safe option.
Done.
Slice it, serve on top.
And the hands.
Use down.
Next.
Do that?
And
Yeah, in under an hour.
Basahin mo yung next. Read it.
5-10 minutes to there. Yeah, shoot.
Read the next one.
20 minutes then? It might be close, but I'm confident I'll be able to pull it off.
That's his hand.
You can do it.
Next.
Do that.
You draw a gun, so it looks like a police.
The black spoon team
6
has chosen the bone-in veal roll.
Very good.
6 bo 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 bo
Why did they do that? They only have an hour to cook.
6 balls.
That's not ba. That's the.
We know more than
6
anyone. As a team, we should play to our strengths.
6
And if this is big, let's
Where's
use
the
it to our
cup?
advantage. Regarding
Corn cup.
I think just
Mom, I can see you, bro.
veal, under that translates to
The.
cold and crunchy. Basically nothing. But in tofu broth, it's served.
Cup is a corn cup. You know the corn.
Mom.
Traditionally, it's
Ay, sorry. Sige, read mo. 6?
It's dipped. And
6
these guys
spots.
So they're flavor.
6 dots. Very good.
Dots?
Yeah, 6 dots.
Oh, I thought it was spots.
Really? Really, kakain ka pa ba? Ha? Look here. It's pork giniling.
Round
I'm
two,
done.
black versus white food. All
What
or
dots?
nothing.
6 dots.
Your third match, the 3-on-3 Battle of the Aces.
Oh, I
will now
thought it was
begin.
circles. It was dots.
No comebacks today. I knew we only needed 4 points to win. But I never thought, oh, this will be easy. We'll just
Daddy.
coast our way to victory. Because
Dad.
you never know.
Ito, electric fan. Gusto niyo ko ibaba. Yan, o, di ba may space pa? Hindi ko lang kaya ng strength ko.
Mom, done.
Kasi ang hirap ni Manoy.
I'm already done.
Can I see your book? Okay.
Share my book. I always share something for my pencil so I can see.
This is Chef John's area.
Okay, now you, ano,
He knows
keep
the
the
recipe,
pencil and the
so
pencil
I'm
case.
better off assisting him. I'll cut the fish.
Oh, give me
Sorry,
my
all the
pencil.
dishes are right. I'll take care of
What
it.
you're doing?
Ano yung gagawin the circle kasi? It's like a donut.
So, we'll chili and these. I can help.
If you're going to yan, because it's not a dot, it's a
I
donut.
figured that no matter what we decided on, I'd keep on supporting.
Okay,
Alright,
guys.
Chef, if you need to get more water or anything,
Bye-bye.
you need some food or cookies.
Stop na?
Grab some food.
You're done? Oh, keep your